Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com. And here is your free chart of the day video. So I'm looking at Mara here, Marathon Holdings. This is levered to the whole Bitcoin thing. This is the pickaxes and shovel hardware store, basically, for crypto miners. And so as Bitcoin goes, generally speaking, so goes Marathon Holdings. And for a while, it looked like maybe these guys were, their shovels were going to be used to dig their own grave. But it turns out that's not the case. And we got in this stock a little bit later, actually, than I would have preferred. I missed it by a day as far as where the real entry was, right down here, maybe on this pop here, but close enough. So we got in this stock here last week on the 21st and have held through these little pullbacks. I've got the current stop here set at 1150. And in light of the volatility, I'm just kind of inclined to keep it, just to keep it where it is. And by the way, I'll say this, you never want to have a stop at 1150. You could have it at 1149 if you want, or 1148. But right on the even figure is not where you want to be. In fact, like on this level, for example, this last Friday, the low was 1150. So if you've got your stop right at the even number, boom, you're taken out of the trade. And now you've missed almost $2 worth of upside, which is a pretty nice return on an $1150 stock. So when I put these stops here, they're just general ideas. Don't do it. Exactly to that level. So anyway, we're still long this stock. I actually bought I already had a pretty decent position, but I bought a whole bunch more today when the stock broke through, this level here, this $13 level. Hasn't really pulled back much. And even now, this on a 5-minute chart, you can see it's still just drifting higher as the day goes on. So my suggestion is, stay long this stock and don't be taking profits on it. I mean, that's really it. The whole Bernard Baruch thing, he's dead now, so I can't interview him. But he was asked, so how'd you make all your money in the market? And he goes, oh, I sold too soon. And I mean, that's a good approach. Better to sell too soon than too late. But I would say, I'll just put it this way. I think if you're selling this now, you're selling too soon. This stock looks like it has a lot more upside here. And I'll just put it here. I'll draw a line in the sand, if you want to call the chart sand. That would be my price target on this stock for this year. And do you know why? Because I can make it anything I want. And that's what my price target is on this stock. Buy. We'll do it here, right there. My price target for the stock is that it is going to be above this level by January of 2024. And do you think I'm going out on a real limb there? Not at all. It's a 50% return from where it is right now. I'll take it. Okay. And by the way, I may be low. Oh, one thing, and then I'll let you go. We just converted a whole boatload of people from our monthly membership into the annual membership for Stock and Option Market Mentor. This should not be news to you because I have sent out videos and all that. So I'm just kind of giving you a fair warning that we've had a really, really good transition. It's taken us a while to get people migrated because when it gets so busy, you have to do a lot of it by hand. But anyway, congratulations to those of you who did make that change. I know it's been frustrating for some because you haven't heard back right away, which, by the way, I told you it's going to take us a while to get to you. So I think we're just about done transitioning everybody. So I would just say to that, welcome to Stock Market Mentor, as you are the pro subscribers. Okay. So I'll see you all next time. Have a great day and a marathon week.